Welcome to part 3 of Clash of Engines series. Today we will talk about creating a 2D player character. Go to Edit, then go to Project Setting. Under the Project category, click on Maps and Modes, and then change the Editor default map to level 1. Then change the Game default map to main menu, which is the map that you want it to show up when you start the game. Now we will adjust the ground collisions so the character look like it's walking on the platform, not above it. Double click level 1 to show it in the viewport. Open the 2D art folder, then open the environment folder and scroll down until you reach the ground sprite. Double click on the sprite and then go to edit collision. Click and drag on the viewport of the sprite edit window to select the upper two handle of the collision rectangle. Click and drag the y-axis gizmo to around half the sprite. Save and close the window. Repeat the same for the ground edge sprite. Now we will add player star actor to the viewport and adjust its Y location value to 10. Now go back to content folder and open blueprint folder. Right click on any empty space on the folder and select blueprint class. On the search bar, write EAB or paper and then select paper character. Rename it and double click it to open it. From the component tab, click on sprite and then from the details tab, change the sprite source flipbook to Maha Idle. Scroll down on the detail tab to rendering and expand it if needed. Change translucency sort priority to 10 so the character is rendered above other elements. Scroll up to transform section and change the sprite X location to 40 and the Z location to 24. On the viewport, adjust the view to front. Adjust the rendering setting to unlit. Then click on Add Component and add a spring arm. Select the spring arm. Then add another component, this time a camera. Make sure it's a child of the spring arm. Click on the spring arm, then go to Details and under Transform section, change the Z rotation to -90. Now select the camera component and adjust its Z location to 50. Now under camera setting, change the camera projection mode to orthographic and adjust its width to 800. Select the capsule component, go to Details and under Shape section, adjust capsule half height to 60. And radius to 20. Save and close the window. Now that we are done creating the character and we need to create a game mode base and assign the character to it. Right click on the blueprint folder, select game mode base, rename it, double click to open it and under the details tab classes section and change the default pawn class to Maha Blueprint. Save and close the window. On the editor windows bar, go to Edit, then Project Setting, and under the Project section, click Maps and Modes. Change the default game mode to Maha Mode, and close the window. Now from the Toolbar tab, click Play, and you will see that the character is now shown in the viewport. This is the end of this part. In the next part, we will look into character movement. Thank you for watching. Your support means a lot to us, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you face any problem or have any suggestion, let us know in the comment below. Link to the full version of the game and assets used in the project are available for download in the description below.